You may want to add another menu to your site to give users some more navigation options. In this video, I'll show you how to do that. First, we'll click into the Menu Manager. Notice that we only have two menu items here, our main menu and a hidden menu. Let's add a third menu in this video and place it near the top of the page on the left-hand side. As with creating most new items, we'll click on the New Item option in the top navigation bar. To create a new menu, all we need to do is come up with a unique title, specify a type, and a description if you like. All of these fields are just to help you identify your menu later. They don't show up on your site's front end, and you can type anything you want into these fields. For the sake of this example, let's call it Left Menu. Perfect. Now we just have to save and close. We already know how to publish items to a menu, so I'll just add a few things in here real quick. 3 ought to do it. Now, what we have at this moment is a hidden menu. I touched on that briefly in an earlier video, but a hidden menu is one that is not placed in a module position. Just as K2 items need to be bound to menu items, and modules need to be bound to menu items, a menu must be placed in a module position. That is how you tell Joomla which pages you want the menu to be displayed upon, as well as where on the page it will be shown. Without being assigned to a module position, your menu will not display anywhere on your site. To do this, let's open up the Module Manager. In the top navigation bar, select Create New Module. A box will pop up prompting you to select the type of module you wish to create. In this case, we want a menu module, so let's select Menu from the list. The next screen that we see will ask us to name our menu module. Let's keep our naming consistent with the menu we made and just call this Left Menu. Over to the right, a select box contains all of the menus we have available to display. Let's select our Left Menu. Since we want this menu on the left of the page, let's select a position that will put us there. Selecting a module position might sometimes be trial and error. I see two positions that both sound pretty good, Sidebar A and Sidebar B. Let's try Sidebar A first. I'll save my module, refresh my front end, and we'll see that my menu is below the main menu towards the top of the page on the left-hand side. You can change the width and position of the sidebar menu in the Template Manager. More on that in a future video. All that remains here is to close out of the module on the administrator side before we take on the next task.